Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are transforming this console from silver to gold. I was hating that ugly gray, so let's get rid of it, okay? And I'm setting up, and of course Leo has to be Leo. Anyway, let's go ahead and take this stand up to protect our surfaces from getting gold on them. I'm gonna go in with this rough and buff in the color gold leaf and these little cotton swabs, which honestly I think they were helpful. I'm not gonna say they weren't helpful. I'm using a pea-size amount. It's really not a lot. I thought, oh my god, this bottle is so small, but it actually did exactly what it needed to do. And honestly, I'm just smoothing this onto the surface, and I'm gonna leave you guys to listen to this insane track because I'm gonna keep repeating. You know, it's kind of self-explanatory. So I'll be back with
turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain. What I need for keeps this silly game we play. Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night. Day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night.
So when I peeled this off, I realized that I got some on the actual fireplace manual button. So I went in to get like a detailed with a smaller one from that pack. And then I went in with Q-tips and alcohol to remove it off of my sensor area. And it came off with ease. It was trapped in there a little bit, but not like to the eye. You can see a little bit, but not really. But it looks so good. I'm so happy with the results. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It just looks so good.